this is Super Sanvi. Do you know, friends, when we were in class nursery, KG, first and second, we used to do thumb printing in our classes. So I thought to upload a video on how to make a beautiful peacock with our thumb prints. This video is specially for children who are in class nursery, KG, first and second. So let's start. This we need a black marker, eraser, pencil, 3 poster colors, green, blue and yellow, and a white sheet. Okay, so now let's first make the peacock. First of all, make a big circle. Going to make 2 straight lines. Now we are going to make a small circle. The body of the peacock is ready. Now we are going to make the feathers of the peacock with thumb prints. First of all, dip your finger inside the green paint and make the feathers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third layer. Dry for 1 or 2 minutes. Now we are going to make the yellow layer. Till our yellow color is drying, we are going to color the peacock's body with the blue color. Take the last finger and make spots in it. See, the body of peacock is ready and it's looking so beautiful. I think the yellow feathers are dried. Now we are going to make. Now with the blue color we are going to make the third layer of the feathers. peacock is ready. Now think what's left? Its eyes. First of all, make a dot and a line. Now see, a beautiful peacock is ready, and I am sure that if you are going to make this thumb printing drawing in your competition, then you are going to win the first position and you are going to be very, very, very happy. So make it and be happy.